Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be playing Battle Cats, and because my sound is off, I'm going to have to turn that down sometime soon, so you can actually hear my voice. Anyway, I'm going to be doing Chapter 3. I'm just going to show you a bit of gameplay, since, I feel like it, and you're on my channel, my rules, me. Anyway, enough of that. I'm going to be spinning. Wow, the last one I just got cat. Very, like, very detailed. Just cat. Anyway, I'm going to be trading some in for a ticket. I don't know if I got it or not. I wasn't paying attention. I'm going to be checking. He's macho. Macho is macho, man. Anyway. I'm going to go check. Oh, I am able to do it. Alright. I'm going to do Epic Fest. Because I like Epic Fest. Anyway. Let's see what I get. Garbage. I already have it. It doesn't let turn the... Oh, command. Okay, I thought it was the swimmer one. Anyway, I'm gonna be, like, doing all of this junk. I really have to get more superiors. Let's do Mexico. Those Mexicans won't know what hit them. I am gonna be using buffs because I'm bad at the game. And, yeah. So you're gonna see my gameplay. You're welcome, by the way. Dog, my voice is, like, horrid right now. Anyway, I'll be back in a little bit. Don't cause too much trouble. As you can clearly see, I won. Hopefully, it didn't cause too much trouble. I wasn't looking. I was thinking Gamer Subs, which is totally the sponsor of this video. And, yeah, it's totally, crap. It's totally the reason why I'm doing this. Definitely. I'm not sponsored. I do hope to be sometime in the future. Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna be doing more gameplay. Don't cause too much trouble, like I said. If you do, steal all your eggs. I won again. Anyway, hopefully you did the things promised, and I won't have to steal all your eggs. Now, I'm gonna upgrade somebody. Who's it gonna be? You don't know. I do, though. Cassie the Scourge, that's who. So, They're level 10 now. I really have to see, like, who I get. Let's do Thunder God Zeus. I don't know how rare he is. He might be rare, he might not be. I wasn't looking. And I'm doing Columbia. For some reason. By the way, I'm recording this after I made the video. Like, after I did the recording and everything. So, like, that's the reason why some of this is, like, off-put on what I'm doing. Anyway, back to the video and enough of that. I'm gonna be testing her out. Bro, she sucks. She can't take down Stickman. She might be able to. Anyway, like I said, don't cause too much trouble. I'm gonna let you watch the gameplay again. You silly little belly bean. That was weird. No, never again. Alright, I'm back after questioning my life decisions. So now, I'm here again. And that's gonna be the end of this video. If you liked it, you liked it, I guess. Anyway, bye now.